That's the first carburetor on, very simple. Had the cap the wrong way around, it's just loose anyway. I've plugged the choke hole here for the choke cable, and it's an Amel part that you can buy online. They're very nice, they're just nicely finished, and I know that you can fill them up with a resin or just block them with some kind of screw, but these are a nice touch. I discovered something interesting with the hard mounting kit for the handlebars. When I put the shouldered washers here to fit the handlebars, I realised that the outer part of the bushings, the rubber mounted bushings, was still here. And they are lock solid in there. The new hard mounted pieces wouldn't fit. So then I bought another set, these dished pieces here. And I thought, well, they may be better. And they're okay, but they kind of flop about here. They have that recess that the P-clamp can go into as well. So I like that, but they kind of flop about a bit. So what I did, I took the original parts on the hard mounting kit down to my friend Jeff's, and he very kindly put them in his lathe, and he has trimmed down this piece here so that they are narrower, and now they fit in with the bushing, just like that. And he did all 4 washers. In fact, the one here on the right is a little wider than this one here, so he made that bigger. So these now fit perfectly in here. Same on the underside as well, so that this now goes up into the hole. So I'm just assembling the handlebars at the bench, starting with the P-clamps. And I'll line these all up once they're on the bike. Just putting the collars on underneath, sliding them on, and then again I'll line everything up once it's on the handlebars. Don't want to scratch that chrome. I got the wheel back today from my friend Dick, who has relaced it in terms of setting the offset of the rim between the two fork legs here, and now it's perfect. I just need to go and take it now to get a new inner tube and a new tyre, and then I'll fit the wheel back on the bike. Okay, I'm just going to mount the front mudguard, just loosely for now until the wheel's back on and I do all the alignment. But you can see that it's held on by these brackets and then these rubber mounts here that just go around this stay. And I've just stuffed some sponge in between these clamp type brackets essentially, just to hold them apart like that, so that it's going to hopefully wrap around these rubber pieces when I put it in. I'm going to need 2 pair of hands for this job. Here's the lovely fuel tank on the bench in the very recognisable tiger gold, and just took a look inside and it's in really nice shape inside. There's just a couple of things that I need to deal with. So inside it looks very nice and clean. It's obviously been dipped or something before it was repainted. And then the only other things are this strip that just needs to be pulled back underneath to bring that down. Same with the back. The tab here on the fuel tap has bent. It's probably got locked or seized up, so I'll take a look at that. And then underneath it's in excellent condition. Yeah, that's been fully resprayed. You see these tabs, I just need to pull the strip back a little bit so that it tightens it up on the top. And then again, as I mentioned, I don't think, even though this has the mounting screw holes for the strap, I don't believe that this year had one. But please let me know in the comments if it was supposed to have one and I can get one. Rather than trying to bend this tab back while it's still part of the fuel tap connected to the fuel tank, I'm going to try and remove it. There's a little circlip down there. It actually works just fine as well, but it's got bent, and so I'd like to straighten that up, and I don't think it goes far back where it's locating. It's overriding that there. Easier said than done. That's right. There. Gosh, that was hard work. I think what it is, it's because it's spring loaded. Right, straight, huh?